Okay, y'all, so today I am chilling in my mama's house, and what I'm doing is frying some pork chops and some potatoes and onions. Y'all know that's my favorite meal in the whole wide world. Well, I don't know if y'all know or not, but it's my favorite meal in the whole wide world. Right here, I'm just seasoning my flour. I'm about to get ready to season the pork chops too. The same seasonings I season my flour with is the same seasonings I season my pork chops with, but I don't do too much in the flour because, of course, it's in the pork chops, and you don't want it too salty. All right. Yep, I'm just seasoning the flour right here. Just taking my time. This was like a garlic and herb seasoning. I really didn't like it, but no, that one was good. But this one right here that I'm picking up, once I smelled it, it smelled kind of like complete. And I don't use a lot of complete because I really don't like the smell. I don't know if it's too earthy. It's something and it is different. So I didn't put that in there. I just seasoned it with like garlic powder, onion powder, Tony. I did some meat tenderizer. I think I did some onion powder and some garlic. The garlic and herbs is in the black container. So now I'm just washing my pork chops, and my mama is so old school, yeah. She don't do the vinegar and the lime and all that stuff. So I just put salt and water, and I made it do what it do. And they came out just as clean as I wanted them to be. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just cleaning them and cleaning them, and just getting them how I want them. And of course, I'm gonna wash my hands every time. I gotta wash my hands. You cannot cook with dirty hands. And no, I don't use gloves because why am I using gloves at home? Like the same people I feed on a regular basis, the same people I'm about to feed now. And they don't use gloves when they feed me. So I've been doing this my whole life. So don't judge me. And here I go. I'm about to put my mustard. Here's my mustard. And then I'm going to do like a hot sauce. Like your hot sauce can be the hot sauce of your choice. I just did some regular hot sauce that my mom had in her cabinet. And I'm putting black pepper now because I forgot to put black pepper in the flour. So I put black pepper on the pork chops and in the flour. And right here I'm getting my, what is that? Oh, that's my hot sauce. And like I said, you can do whatever hot sauce. You don't even have to put hot sauce. But I put hot sauce because I like the little, I guess the tang, the extra little hotness it gives. I don't know. So now, yeah, I think I'm about to bring the pork chops over so that y'all can see me season them and stuff.
Like what? What I done did? I made me one.
And like I said, right here, I'm just seasoning with the same seasoning I put in the flour with lemon pepper, garlic, onion powder, the Tonys, and then I think I did some garlic powder.
I was gonna
like I said, not too much because you are seasoning the pork chops and you also seasoning the flour. You do not want to over season pork chops. You do not want a salty pork chop. It'll mess up your whole meal. So don't over season the pork chops. And these pork chops is kind of thick, so I went ahead and like put some holes in them and put them in the refrigerator so they can, marinate a little. I didn't have a beater, but later my mom came downstairs and was like, I have a beater that you can tenderize this.
At my mother's house. Cooking a good old meal.
I'm just gonna go with
y'all know how it go.
Up, get everything combined, get everything together.
Yeah, my mama say I can cook. So when my mama say I can cook, I can cook.
Pork chops in no water.
And do.
And there's my mother.
No.
And her ponytail.
There's my mom.
Girl, at least you got some, honey.
She came downstairs.
What my grandson say?
My son thought my mama had a whole wig one day. Yeah, my son think people hair supposed to fall out when they.
And the
frozen
is
what
just
he
like
thought,
those
but
cooked things.
you still got her. What?
Y'all call them frozen cups, and we do not use Kool-Aid in them.
And my
I don't
baby
even
make
know
sure
where
she
that
stays
came
25
from,
because we did her
Kool-Aid in
birthday
no
thing. Yeah, let me tell you. So we had got her some birthday balloons or whatever.
That's lemon pepper. Yes,
and the balloon said her age. Yeah, my baby was so upset. Like, that's not her age. I got the wrong age. And we like, no, mama, ain't this your age? That girl
and I guess
said,
I'm just running my mouth right here. I don't
that
know.
girl
Just
told
take my
us,
time. Just take my time. Just take my
it's
time.
not the right age. You got to
Yeah, I
turn the
know that
numbers
Tony
around.
Satchwins will
I
have
said,
your
oh, girl,
nose
you got them
burning.
ruined, honey.
Oh,
She
Lord,
really
it had my
ruined
nose on
them.
fire.
So this the
And
pork
then
chop
boom, here
season,
we go.
and
We
we gonna
got
let them
the pork
marinate
chops all
for probably a good
seasoned
10 minutes,
and all
maybe.
that good stuff. So now I'm putting them in the refrigerator.
And y'all, while we letting that marinate,
I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator and I'm gonna cover them for about 20 minutes, just until I think it's done marinated or it's done got all the seasonings incorporated. Because like I said, they're kind of thick, so they need a little extra love, a little extra TLC. So that's what I'm doing, just covering up the pork chops right now. And just letting them sit in the refrigerator.
We doing potatoes and onions. I told y'all, it's gonna be what my girl be saying. Good time. Without onions.
So yep, we're gonna clean us. We're gonna chop us up some potatoes and onions.
Like they use.
I like a lot of onions, so that's why I got a lot of onions at that bin.
And y'all, I like a lot of onions.
And I think I had about 6 onions and 6 potatoes.
I think so.
He just got off the bus.
Who about you? Him and Lily. Oh, now Lily go to camp. Her mama did like me.
My mama Who knows?
Yeah, her mama like me, baby. You got to go. Just got school out don't mean you.
I hate to
Just got school out don't mean you out. Give me some shoes.
But hers not like mine, it don't beat, so I didn't know until I glanced
doing
back
something
there.
to my spirit. It was doing something to my spirit. Okay, I'm back, y'all.
Okay, so
now we're finna peel the potatoes.
So now
I was hoping that my daughter peel the potatoes. Oh, and in the season, the same season I put on the pork chops, I put it in the flour. But I didn't do too much because I didn't want it to be too
won't bite my eyes as bad.
Not my nose wrong.
Oh, honey. Onions will have you trying for days.
And
yeah, this got some stuff. Listen to my mama.
They go to camp. I'm gonna lock it over.
Hello, I'm Black Young didn't go outside. Ooh-wee. Okay. Y'all want to peel potatoes?
Was that not hilarious? Like, that took me out. Both of them was like, nope, I'm finna go upstairs. Nope.
I hope I got that on camera. I asked them, did they want to peel potatoes? She said, no, I'm going back upstairs. My daughter said, I don't know how.
And I was laughing.
Can you believe they doing me that?
Cracked me up.
Yeah, that's my new order.
For both of them to say that in unison, like, nope, like, they just.
It's how it works.
But they gonna eat the potatoes. But they want to peel them.
I said, like pushing 90.
But y'all know how we do.
In here?
And
I ain't not
baby,
even
did they eat them? Well, I ate the rest of them. Yeah, y'all will see at the end. But I'm so mad at myself. But just keep watching because, yeah.
God bless you, bro.
Thank you.
You just came from outside.
Yeah, that body hot. That heat is like 90 degrees outside. That's ridiculous.
Oh, y'all want to see me peel some potatoes? Okay, I'm gonna come back when I got them all peeled. But right now, this how they looking. But yeah, I'll be back in a minute, y'all. Bye.
So now I came back. I got my potatoes in a pot. I got my oil and I got my butter. I got my potatoes in a bowl and I got my oil and my butter in a pot. So now I'm about to go ahead and dump the potatoes in. I got them seasoned, as you can see. I just got them seasoned with salt, black pepper, and I think I put a little garlic in them. I'm not sure. No, I didn't. I actually put fresh garlic in it. So yep, I just got right now I just got salt and pepper. And I'm putting them on in the skillet. And then I'll cut my onion up in just a second. I got my butter in my skillet with my grease. Washing my hands because y'all know every time I touch anything pertaining food, I wash my hands. Every time. So that's what I'm doing now. Just washing my hands. Have to get my knife because I sat at the table and finished cutting the rest of those potatoes, y'all. But Yep, I had to go get my knife. So now I'm finna do the onions. And in my same bowl that I just took my potatoes out of, I'm gonna put my onions in. However, I'm gonna sit my onions in cold water because y'all know onions will have you boo-hoo crying. And I do not feel like doing it today. So, yep, I'm just gonna cut my onions up and sit them in the water. My mama said that this pot was sick a little, so we had to use another pot. So now you're gonna see me transfer the oil into the other pot. And yes, I need all the oil. I need everything from that pan. Don't play with me. So that's all I'm doing here. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And that's what we're doing now. We're peeling the onion. And like I said, I let mine sit in cold water so that I won't be crying. Well, I actually didn't cry. I actually chopped up all the onions without crying. So I'm proud of myself about that. Mm-hmm. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, yeah, she letting y'all know y'all better shop for them Frozens because they are the bomb.com. I told y'all that at first. They play. The best Frozens in Chattanooga. Shop with Nettle. So, yep, we got the potatoes doing what they do, and now we're going to drop the pork chops. Don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. And y'all, please don't judge me for using a plastic bag because, yeah, I season still with a plastic bag. I don't know the difference between a paper bag and a plastic. Well, I know the difference, but I don't know the difference it does to your food with paper and plastic. So I just go ahead and use a plastic bag and I put my flour in it. And now I'm about to dry my pork chops from that plastic bag. So now y'all see the pork chops they going. We got those in the pot. And we're going to let those fry for about 15 minutes until they golden brown on both sides. And I guess until the, this hard bubble stop from frying. So that's typically how you know they're done. And we got the potatoes and onions over here. We're going to let those cook down for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how thick or how thin you slice your potatoes. And like I said, I put extra onions in there because I like a lot of onions. And I don't eat onions at home because nobody in my house eats them, so I only eat them when I go to my mama's house. So yeah, that's our little favorite meal when we get together. And what I'm doing now is just stirring them apart. I'm going to put the lid back on so they can steam for a little while longer, and then we'll have the final product. I don't let that doggone greedy spirit get a hold of me, and I forgot to take a picture of my plate, but this is the final product. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.